In this video, I'm going to show you how to take profit on Quantower. Now to do this, there's two ways. The first one is going to be using this side trader over here inside your chart. So if you have your chart open, click on the side panel top right, and from here you can of course select your account, you can select your quantity, time in force, etc. And down here you have brackets mode, and you can see simple and multi. So the easiest way to add a take profit is to go to simple and click on where it says no TP, and when you click on it, in here you can enable take profit, and you can set it up however you want it to be, okay? If you go to multi, of course, you can click on here, and it's going to allow you to actually add the multiple take profits by hitting the plus buttons and modifying them down here, okay? So that's the first way. The second one is going to be to go to the top left, click on the Quantower logo, and then open up the order entry. Now it's going to be either over here, or you could sometimes see it up here as well if you have the default view. So just want to open up the order entry. Again, you can select your symbol, account, order type, etc. And down here you can find brackets mode, and you have your take profit over here, where of course you can go ahead and modify it however you want it to be. Again, we have the multi mode as well, which is going to work the same way as I showed you earlier. You can add multiple take profits in here as well to actually create that type of order. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.